Hi there, this is my Mendel90 under construction, still doing some testing. While experimenting with the cooling fan assembly, which is attached to the X carriage, as you see here, I discovered that with the simple voltage, 12 volt voltage from the Azteeg X3 board, it would run fine at 12 volts, but if I took the slider on the fan control here in Repetier host software down below 80%, then the fan would cut out. So on investigation, I realized or discovered a link to a tip from another website, and I'll post that link on my own blog, with a recommendation that the 12 volt supply for the fan from the Azteeg board is a pulsed 12 volts. So with the addition of a capacitor and a diode to the connector, the capacitor goes in parallel and the diode goes on the negative feed to the fan. Then full speed control could be obtained. So you can control it manually here from within the host software, but indeed it would also mean that the appropriate G codes could be added as the object was sliced to control fan speed for various layers, print conditions, or even for bridging, where you could say, well, bring the fan up to the cooling fan up to 100%, or in other areas you could reduce it right down. So here, just to demonstrate it in action, if I click on switch on the fan, you'll hear the fan cut in. You see it here running away. But now to demonstrate the slider output control in action, as I reduce this, you'll hear the fan volume drop as the revs drop on the fan. I found I can take it right down to maybe about 20% before the fan begins to stall. There you go, that's down at roughly 18-20%. So it gives much greater control of the fan speed and airflow, cooling airflow over the work on the Mendel90. So again,